I can't believe I'm actually covering this. Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I wanted to comment on something that I usually don't, it's not something that I would go over on this channel, but you know, whatever. It's a variety show at this point, which is a company called Citron Research, and the way that they appear to have attempted to manipulate a stock. The sad thing is that this actually worked. So there's a company called Citron Research, and when you click and you go to About Us, it says, you know, they say that they are a #1 activist short seller, so they are looking to obviously make money off of stocks going down, not stocks going up. And there's one particular stock that they wanted to cover recently, which is GameStop. Now, as any of you probably understand, GameStop is a retailer that is widely hated for video games. They're brick and mortar. We live in a society where you can download games. You don't have to go to the store necessarily anymore. It's ridiculous that we're still dealing with that. And in spite of the fact that the society has changed in such a way and most people seem to hate GameStop, their stock has went from, again, $3 this year all the way up to close to 40 bucks. And a big part of the reason this happened is because of this one particular group on Reddit called WallStreetBets. I go there every now and then for a laugh. Every now and then when I wanted a ridiculous Eric Cartman-like laugh, I would watch South Park, read Donald Trump's Twitter, and now that I've run out of episodes of South Park and Trump's off Twitter, I go to WallStreetBets every now and then to get that entertainment. And you'll see that the type of stuff that you find on here, to be clear, I'm not saying that you should make investments based on what you see here. There's a lot of, yeah, like you'll see stuff like this get posted every now and then where it's just flatline, he's dead. You'll see, I shouldn't be laughing because this is really sad for somebody, but like the investment decisions that get made here are not exactly investment decisions that I would stand behind. But what they do is you have a group of people that you can just see the way that they talk, and they get together and they decide to pump stocks to fuck with people, and every now and then they do. So, you know, let's say there's a bunch of short sellers on GameStop. They'll decide, let's just screw the short sellers just for fun, just to screw with people, and a bunch of random people will jump in and buy, and that's how you get this. Now, what Citron Research is doing is they said that, you know, this valuation is ridiculous. They're trying to put on their, you know, their bow tie and pretend that they are real investors here, and they tweeted, tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. EST, Citron will release the 5 reasons GameStop buyers at these levels are the suckers at this poker game. Stock is going back to $20 fast. We understand short interest better than you, and we'll explain. Thanks to our viewers for feedback on last live tweet. And as you can see, if you go to GameStop over the last few days, that they were actually on their way to 40 bucks. It held, you know, it was holding here at 40 bucks for a while, and right after that happened, it slid, and when it opened today, there was a bloodbath. This thing was down 7%. It went from 40 bucks at one point all the way down to 36.70. Now, one thing you'll notice is that there was no live stream, and it actually started to go up again right after there was no live stream. So why wasn't there a live stream? Why didn't Citron publish the live stream about how they are superior shorts? Here's why. Their reason is GME is still going to $20 easy, but Citron does not want to go live in the middle of a historic presidential inauguration. We respect the office of the presidency, and our country will not interfere with market commentary. We look forward to live streaming tomorrow. God bless America. As if they just forgot that there's a presidential fucking inauguration every 4 years on January 20th. Since the beginning of the fucking country, we have had the presidential inauguration after the election on January 20th. So, either one of two things is true. Either A, these people are ingenious short sellers that convinced a bunch of people to be scared of them and their 250,000 Twitter followers and sell something that they believed in. That, to be clear, I don't fucking think you should believe in GameStop. Fuck that obsolete company. But they got a bunch of people to sell their shares so that they could buy in or make money shorting it, because as you could see here, their tweet seems to have caused a precipitous 7% drop in the value of the stock. Or they're asking that you trust a company with your money that is so stupid they don't know that there's a presidential inauguration. Like, maybe they just thought that Donald Trump was going to come out and say, screw you guys, no inauguration, we're not doing it, we're undoing it, we're going home, there's no inauguration, there will be no new, I will remain president, and that there was just not going to be an inauguration today. It actually worked, I gotta say. Like, again, for people who seem to be trying to manipulate the market, they seem to have gotten their desired result here. Every now and then I read through it again. For fuck's sake, do not read through this shit and make serious investing decisions based on it. I know you're about to. Remember the last video I did? Remember the last video about every now and then you have to, Mr. Clinton does something bad, he breaks into the closet, steals the greenies, you go, no, Clinton, no. Same thing here. Are you about to put money, are you about to invest based on Wall Street bets? No, bad. You know, I shouldn't even hit you on the nose. I just give you a smack in the face. Because all you got to do is, let's just click the lost button on the side of the subreddit. Look at the shit that people do and just don't do it. It's purely for entertainment purposes only. But every now and then I read through stuff there and I laugh, and this has probably caused me the most laughing of anything that I've read through there. Like, this is just hysterical. Like, it's the top thing there today. It says over here, Citron just remembered that the inauguration is taking place. The comments on it are absolutely priceless. Didn't know inauguration was today. Top-notch research skills. The best due diligence. I don't know. Again, I don't usually do videos on this type of stuff, but this made me laugh. I couldn't help it. Anyway, that's it for today. And as always, I hope you learned something. I will see you all in the next video. Bye now.